Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Beautiful car here, Infiniti, and the year is 2012. The car come by tow truck. We did all the diagnostic up and down. After we found that this piece here, see this piece here, always check the continuity and the power. We found that there is no power going into the ignition, or no power going, the ignition is not coming on. We found this part here. You see, this happen always when you jump the car wrong. You see this fuse here in this place. I'm gonna show you. You see there is a gap there. So there is a gap there. So this one broke. So we got a new one. We put it in, and we are able to get the power coming into the car. But our next problem is that means they try to jump it wrong and they messed up everything. Now after we finish that, we come back to we put the ignition on, we try to start it, it doesn't want to start. You see right now you have to put the key here. That's okay. Now car is still running. We take the key out, car is still running. Let me see now. See now the door lock, unlock, security, everything work fine. Let me close the door, which is good. Push the brake. Okay, the battery is dead. We realize that also the key in the memory is not there anymore. So we reprogram the module and reset everything, and everything work fine. Please subscribe, share and like. This is the car. If you need some product or some accessories for your car, go down to the link. I have Amazon affiliate. They pay me if you buy anything there as a percentage to support the channel, and I also thank you for watching. But those cars need a really diagnosis. We come here, we communicate. As soon as we finish putting the charge, the system, that fuse, the ignition come on, everything is good, but the car still doesn't want to start. We look at the data on the BCM, zero key. We go inside, we reprogram the key, set it up correctly, everything is good. Now the car running, like ignition also come on, no problem, but the car cannot start because of battery is weak. So please subscribe, share and like, and if you have any problem or any question, feel free to ask. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.